Hello everyone, I'm Hossein. So I'm the project manager of the geotechnical investigation that is going to happen at Tucson mine. So first of all, I just want to thank everyone who participated in this meeting. So I'm just going to go over the project that we're going to do, and then the specs of the project, a little bit of background of the mine, and then I describe everyone the task phases, whatever we need to do for this project to be completed. Then at the end, we have like a question and then a recommendation. So please feel free to share your question and recommendation to me. So first of all, I'm just gonna thank Bill, John, Tim, Andrew, and Jordan. So you guys, thank you for being here and listening to this kickoff meeting. So first, I just wanted to give you, I'm just going to go over the meeting agenda as you guys receive the email from me. So I'm just going to briefly describe what I'm going to talk about during this meeting. I'm just going to talk about the brief introduction of the company and some of the, our client and the company, Wood, and some of its featured projects. I'm going to briefly describe what the Tucson mine and what they're going to do and what they expect us to do and what are the purpose of this program. Then I'm going to describe the importance of the project. So I will talk about why we are doing this program and what we want from this program to be completed. So then I'll go over the describing client acceptance standards, sense of urgency, and the budget concern. Then I will talk about the project goals, what the final product is going to be, and then I'm going to explain the work expectation, what we need the contractor to perform, and what's the procedure and methods of to do this program. After that, I will talk about briefly. I will talk about the line of communications, what are the risks, and the quality of the planning for this project. Then, if you guys have any question and suggestion, please feel free to ask me at the end. Or if you think you need to interrupt me and ask me in the middle of the presentation, please feel free to do that. And at the end, if we need to just make some changes to the project plan, just let me know. We will discuss it more at the end of the presentation. So right now, I'm just going to talk about the Tucson mine. So the mine was founded in 1914 in Arizona, and it was working periodically before World War II. During World War II, they start resuming the investigation at the mine due to the highly demand on copper for the just to support World War II. So this mine is the open pit mine, and they produce copper concentration for the industry. One of the key factor of this mine is like they have one of the tallest tailings storage facility in the United States. So as we mentioned in the as you guys may know about us, so we are monitoring the stability of the pit and the tailing storage facilities. By so our companies is actually like the engineering record of the mine. So the mine has it produces 128 million pounds per year of copper concentrates. Uh, so the mine has several tailing storage facilities with a different height. So based on life of mine plan, they're gonna still continue the production until 2039. So due to the rise in copper price, the mine wants to increase the production, which will increase the uh, dump material after the processing them, so which they need to increase the dam height, the tailing storage facilities height, which will result in like the safety, the stability problem. So the height of the TSFs are increasing. The main concern would be the stability issue. These dams will create like a environmental hazard and life-saving hazards. So we should be careful increasing the height of these dams. So that's why we are running this program to analyze the stability of these dams. What we're gonna do during this program, we're just gonna install monitoring instrumentations, so that we can actually further assess the stability of the total stability of the dam. So later on, based on the final report, definitely we're going to evaluate to see if we need to build a rockfill stability buttress if the dam stability condition is poor. So the project during this project, we're going to drill 50 modular boreholes, and then we're going to collect several samples. We're going to take split spool samples plus Shelby tubes, and for the foundation, we're gonna grab like core samples, rock core samples. So during this project, we assess not only the tailing part, but also we're gonna evaluate the strengths of the foundation rocks. So after completion of each hole, we're going to install a set of piezometer inside the tailings material, as well as inside the foundation to monitor the pore water pressure. So that's why we decided to have like a piezometer, set of piezometer each hole. So the purpose of this program is going to be providing supportive information for the future stability analysis that we're going to consider for the future raise that mine the mine expects to do because they are increasing the production. So the final product of this program would be we're going to compile the investigation reports and whatever data that we recorded, all the lab results, everything, and then we're going to share our recommendation with the client. So far we were able to so we received a lot of quotes from different drilling companies. GSI was the one who was accepted for this program. They have been working in a lot of mines, and based on their resume, they are competent to do this program. So we've been allocating resources. So far for our company Wood, we decided to have we hired like senior 2, senior 1 engineers, as well as take 3 and take 1. So they're going to be mainly focused on this program and finish the geotechnical investigation. Then we move forward for the stability analysis. So material that contractor needs, like cement and piezometer and the PVC pipes, have been purchased prior to the program commencement day, and they're going to be shipped to the site before the contractor move to the site. The method of the investigation is moderate because this is one of the cheapest methods and more reliable one, as well as the contractor. It's easy for the contractor to switch to the rock coring after going through the tailing dams. So as I mentioned before, we're gonna perform like a high quality laboratory testing for whatever sample we're going to get. So in that case, we have a better understanding of the stability of the dam and the competentness of the foundation rocks. So the project communication will be mainly based on the safety, while the contractor and our representative are going to be on site and working. So we should follow the mine safety rules, and so we have a weekly meeting. So we will discuss with client and contractor about the changes in the project, whatever problem that contractor has, or the future issues that contractor may need to be rectified before they move to the other location. So the project execution timeline, we estimated it's going to be 6 months. The project commencement, based on the current scheduling, the project commencement, the project starts in July 2023, and the ending would be in February 24. So that actually depends if the weather is going to be suitable for this project, or the contractor availability. That may change a little bit, but whatever happens, the project will be estimated to be done in 6 months. Total estimated cost is close to $1,900,000. That almost half of this cost is based on the contractor cost, so which is about $1 million. So the final product for this project would be our observation, and then lab results, and then we're gonna compile this in a like completion report, and then furthermore we're just gonna send us our recommendation and include our recommendation inside the report about the stability of the dam. So then we're gonna use this data for as like available information for our to perform a stability analysis for the future raise of the dam. So thank you so much. So please let me know if you guys have any question or comment, so we can discuss this further at the end of this meeting. Thank you.